Chippy with UMPC Portal at the Motion booth. We're just going to get a little look at the CL900, which is a new tablet PC from Motion PC.
Thank you. Same thing.
Okay, so tell us about.
That's the new CL900 from Motion Computing. It's a 10-inch white display.
White display?
Wide.
Oh, I thought you said white.
No, wide.
That's some new e-paper technology or something.
Yes. So it's a 10-inch wide display.
Matte finish? Is it a matte finish or glossy? Yeah, it's a matte finish, right?
Yeah, well, it's not a matte finish, but it has Gorilla Glass on it.
Oh, Gorilla Glass. Wow.
You probably heard about it.
That's unique on a 10-inch tablet, I think.
Yes, we're the first one to put Gorilla Glass on the other device, which is a 12-inch device, and now that's the first device. Just for 1 second. Device to be touch and Gorilla Glass.
Right. So what specs are we talking about in terms of processor and?
So it has an Ultra processor from Intel, which is a new processor designed especially for tablets.
Is this a 1.5 gigahertz version Oak Trail, or do you know the specifications of which one you're going to use?
No, I don't know. Okay. I wouldn't be able to give you that.
All right. Well,
but I'll give you the spec sheet. Maybe there is your answer in there.
Good. Okay.
I think it is a 1.5.
Right. Okay.
I wouldn't bet on it.
Yeah.
Don't take my word for it. You can take it from the spec sheet I'll give you in a second.
2 gigs of RAM or?
Up to 2 gigs, so either 1 or 2 gigs, depends.
Okay, a couple more specs then. So it's dual input, so it's capacitive with digitizer. We're seeing the pen being used here.
Yeah.
Up to 2 gigs RAM.
Yes.
And yeah, it's probably the 1.5 gigs Oak Trail. What sort of weight are we talking about here? The weight. How heavy is it?
It's 2.1 pounds.
Which is
1.2. No, it's 980 grams.
Just under, yeah.
It's 101 kilo.
Right.
It's 986 of my memory.
Could you just turn this around and have a look at the thickness from the side? So you got a fan, okay. So let's put a fan. Then that's like.
I can give you
the spec sheet. Well, we'll get a. Oh, you got the spec sheet. Look at that.
So it's 15.4 millimeter thickness.
Yeah.
And then when it's
we'll get some pictures of that. Take that away. I'll sort the specs out.
I'll give it to you.
Yeah,
I'll give you the press kit. So it's rugged.
And at the back is that plastic or okay? It's
it's a gloss
first impressions
finish.
That it's not rugged on the back, but
it is rugged.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your definition of rugged?
Well, here in this case, rugged, it's IP52.
Okay, which
so
is
it's dust and moisture.
Yeah.
It's also MIL standard 810G, which is drop test from this height, which is
like a meter.
Over a meter. I don't know how.
Okay, so rubberized outside. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's.
What?
48,
right.
Which is over a meter. It's like 120. It's about.
Right. What sort of battery life do you expect from this?
It has up to 8 hours battery life.
Up to 8 hours battery life. Okay.
So it runs.
Does that mean there's a battery option, or is that standard with standard battery?
It's a standard battery.
Yeah.
It depends what you run on it, obviously, because it's very connected, so you can have 3G on it. Obviously, it's wireless, Bluetooth, etc.
Whoa!
Sorry, you alright?
Yes, I am. So depending on what kind of application and what kind of connected you're running on it, the battery life is.
And you got a 43 watt-hour battery.
Drain only, or is it a battery drain test? 8 hours? Is it just like training the battery with the display on doing nothing?
Yeah, I guess so.
No,
that's like best case, right?
Okay.
No, because I mean, since we've been here since 1 o'clock and they haven't been charged. I mean, the battery.
It's a big battery, 43 watt-hour. Yeah.
It's almost full.
Sounds great.
I mean, it's a real up to 8 hours battery.
All right.
When I say 8 hours, it's
It's like doing something.
Yeah,
It's
doing
not like
something.
laptops.
So finally then, when is this available and what sort of price point are you looking at?
It's going to be available in April.
Right.
early.
All the Oak Trail devices seem to be available in April. It's, I guess, Intel ramping it up, right? Yeah.
Well, it's going to be depending on that as well.
Yeah.
No, I think it's going to be it's available a bit before that.
Right. Okay.
Then, so April is going to be the first shipment.
Right.
And it's a price point under $1,000.
Okay.
So 19.
Which?
$100,000. It's $100,000.
Yeah.
So you can have, let's see, you want to see maybe a Bluebeam application?
Can you tell me if you got 3G option?
Yes, not on this one, but yes, there will be a 3G option. This one is just wireless right now.
Okay, great.
There is an option for modules on the side. It's a payment module.
Right.
That's going to be available later this year. So for debit and credit card payment, it has fingerprint, barcode reader. So that's what we do. We have integrated feature in all our units. So this one is just a new addition to your existing line of products. We've been doing tablet PC for the past 10 years.
So one more time, what was the product name?
CL900.
CL900 from Motion Computing. Thanks very much for the demo.